So today we have a possible YABO. This is from Carlos in Chicago. So yes, Carlos, I would love to open this on camera, which I am doing right now. So today's EDC is the QSP Worker. This is the one in Snakewood. All right, loving this knife. I'm gonna do a review on it very soon. Be careful not to flip this over. Don't want to show him his personal information. So we have, all right, so let's see. Can read in front of camera, all right, cool. What do we got here? It says, hey Jeff, me, Chuck, and my wife, Mercedes, who's writing this letter because my writing is sloppy, LOL, are sending you and the missus some gifts as a thank you for all your videos. We enjoy and appreciate all the cutlery knowledge that you put out there. The Euro-style bracelet that you received has a variety of non-brand charms. Thought it would be cool to compare the differences between Pandora and the other stuff that's out there. Keep in mind that these charms are not even a tenth of the cost. We also threw in an 8 gig Balisong USB just for you. Happy holidays, brother. Your friends out of Chicago, Chuck and Mercedes. Thank you so much, Chuck. That is absolutely awesome. I saw that he had commented on one of my IG posts. I was talking about Christina likes the Pandora charms, right? So on different occasions, you know, I like to get her a charm here and there. It's nice to obviously treat her with some jewelry and stuff. Now, of course, she loves the jewelry from Tiffany's. She's very practical like me. So that becomes a very special occasion thing. It's not something she could just wear every day because she's worried that she'll lose it. So something like Pandora is kind of a middle ground. You know, it's, you know, not super cheap. You can get the charms for like anywhere from $35 to $60, just depends on what kind. So sometimes it's just nice to rock something a little bit cheaper you don't have to worry about as much, but that you still enjoy. And of course, this is where I'm going to compare it to knives, because that's what I do. Just like the $5 beater can be enjoyed just as much as the, you know, $500 special knife. So you guys get what I'm saying. So first, actually, before I get into the bracelet, I want to talk about this a little bit. I used to have one of these, and I very much regret getting rid of it. All right, and this is absolutely awesome, and this will stay with me for a very long time. All right, so the one that I had was actually a Benchmade model from way back in the day. But so we have a little Balisong USB. That is awesome, and I will actually use this as well. It's really cool. So obviously you see the butterfly logo on there, very similar to the original. All right, and obviously it's just a little USB drive. But the thing is awesome. Let's see if I can do a little latch drop. Kinda maybe. So anyway, thank you so much. That was a super nice surprise. He did say he was going to be sending this for Christina to check out. Thought that was really nice and very generous. So we have a little silk bag here. All right, so I zoomed in here so you guys can get a little bit more detail on this. These are awesome. Awesome, tons of different Disney charms. See a little Mickey down there. We got a Buzz Lightyear here. I think this is a Woody that's hanging. Really cool. There's an American Mickey. These are awesome. Yeah, I mean, when it comes to, you know, the cost of jewelry, obviously, just like knives, it's all over the place. There's very, you know, cheap, affordable stuff, and then there's really high-end stuff. And I wouldn't say totally unlike knives. Sometimes you're definitely paying for the name. As far as jewelry goes, a lot of the times you're paying for that name. Now, going back to the comparison between something like Tiffany's, years ago when Christina and I were still dating, I got her a nice set of Tiffany's earrings. They were just sterling silver. It was probably, I don't know, like maybe $12 worth of silver. And they were like $350 earrings. You know, so like I said, I mean, sometimes that high-end stuff is not always the most appropriate for the situation. You know, maybe when we're going to the store to do some grocery shopping, she doesn't have to wear Tiffany earrings, you know. So something like these charms is awesome for like an everyday thing. So that is awesome. Again, thank you so much, Chuck. Mercedes, that was really sweet of you. Really nice. I know Christina's absolutely going to love the bracelet. And of course, I absolutely love this. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.